One of the boys killed in the vicious attack in Salt Spring, St. James late last year has been laid to rest. As mourners gathered to celebrate his life, they all shared the view that he's gone way too soon. Jamaica Maitland tells us more.
It was a roller coaster of emotions on Sunday at the Thanksgiving ceremony of Nakaliv Smith. One by one, family, friends, the school gave tributes about the charismatic 9-year-old.
There's a girl at school, me nah call her name. Me nah call her name. But one day when I went to school, she run come. Nakali's mommy, I was like, yes, I love Nakali, but he doesn't love me. Oh, there's a girl that was in grade 2 that he loved. But the girl never loved him.
Among the attendees was National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang.
We should never have been here today celebrating the life of a 9-year-old. But he has taken him to his bosom. Let us not waste it, this trauma and tragedy. We work together to ensure that this never happens again.
The little boy was traveling home from school in a taxi when gunmen opened fire at the vehicle. Nakaliv, his schoolmate 7-year-old Justin Perry and 26-year-old Tevin Hale were killed. The police say Hale was the target of the attack. They've since charged 26-year-old Travis Tummins with their murders. Another man, O'Dane Barrett, who was a person of interest, was killed by the police in St. Mary. Head of the St. James Police Division, Senior Superintendent Vernon Ellis, was also at the funeral.
No technology was spared in bringing the persons responsible to justice in this matter.
But despite the officers' reassurance, the fears still persist that children are not being spared from violence.
The homes and by extension the community must stand up and say enough is enough.
He is a song when hope is gone.
His grieving mother, Natalie Heaven Francis, says she finds comfort knowing Nakaliv was a Christian.
You see, even though Nakaliv is sleeping over there, nobody can tell me that he's not sleeping and awaiting the first resurrection.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.